everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make bean thread noodle stir fry, or Peev Choj Kib. Honestly, this was my first time making it and I was pretty impressed. We're going to start with getting your noodles ready. Soak them in hot tap water. It doesn't need to be boiling, this is fine. While it's soaking, I'm going to prepare the other ingredients. Mince up some garlic and julienne the ginger. Peeling this gigantic carrot, then julienne this too. You can also use a shredder if your heart desires so for the carrot. I'm using canned bamboo, baby corn, and straw mushrooms. Pour out all the brine and rinse them underwater. I'm cutting my baby corn in half, thinly slicing the bamboo and cutting the mushrooms in half. Feel free to use whatever vegetables you have on hand to clean out your fridge. This is just what I think I normally have at Hmong events and gatherings. Don't forget the green onions and cilantro. They make everything taste better. I like to chop my green onions at an angle and the cilantro about an inch in length. Straining the noodles now, I just cut them with a knife. If you don't like doing it like this, you can use scissors instead. This is just my preferred method. I've got the garlic and ginger and some hot oil here. Right when the garlic starts to brown on the edges, I'm just going to add some ground pork. I think that at Hmong parties, they typically use thinly sliced beef, but I had pork on hand, so this is what I used instead. Once the meat is no longer pink, add your vegetables. Carrots, bamboo, mushrooms, and baby carrots. I actually ended up only using half of the can, storing the other half for a couple later. It was just too much. Creating a well in the center, I'm just adding my bean thread noodles, then topping with sweet soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and black pepper. I lightly stirred the sauce in with the noodles, then added the cover to let the noodles cook till soft. Remove the lid and thoroughly stir the noodles. Add the fish sauce and then turn off the stove. I like to add the fish sauce, cilantro, and green onions at the very end because I think fish sauce cooks off really quickly, and by barely cooking it, the umami taste won't disappear. Same goes for the cilantro and green onions. This yielded so much more than I anticipated, but it was super delicious. A nice sweet and savory flavor, and of course, Tao pairs it with the chili oil.
This is better than the Hmong party. The baby corn is good too. And pepper. Spicy chili sauce.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.